In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply to cruise jobs in a Swiss company. So I was browsing and I saw this on my Facebook, and I decided to make a video to share this with you because I know that it's going to be beneficial, and who knows, this might help you to land your to land a job in a cruising company. All right, so I went to their website and I saw how to apply, which I'm going to show you how to apply. Okay, and also there are other jobs when you come under career. There are other jobs that you can see here: gallery career, hotel career, office career, nautical career. It depends on which one you're looking for. So in this video, I'm going to share these things with you. Okay, so ensure that you watch till the end so that you know how to apply and you see other jobs available. Okay, so welcome to my channel. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Promise Breno and I am changing lives. Okay, this channel is for those who don't have a lot of money and they would like to move abroad to study or to work. Okay, so be sure to subscribe, all right, and click the notification bell. And if you're excited about this content that I'm about to share, please smash the like button. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Before I show you how to apply to this job and also explore other job offers, let me tell you a brief about this company. So Skila AG is an all-round partner for charterers and businesses. Okay, so they make qualitative journeys happen from ship design to an onboard crew. Okay, so the company is a Swiss based company. Okay, all right, so you can also from here you can go to their website, but we're already on their website here. And okay, first of all, let's look at how you can apply to this one. Okay, so this offer is for hotel manager. All right, and there are a couple of things you should know here before applying. All right, so basically, if you enjoy taking the lead and you are not scared back to delegate people, you might be the person they are looking for. So as a hotel manager, your duty will require a great sense of responsibility on top of a good remuneration package. That means good salary, okay, the smiles on the faces of their guests, and what you get in return. What do they expect from you? You should be proactive. Okay, you should have a proactive mindset. You should lead by example. You should have extensive experience on river cruises. You know how to deal with difficult situations. And what do you get in return? Attractive salary, good fringe benefits, pleasant working atmosphere, growth opportunities. And if you want to apply, it's very simple. You just need to come here and type your name, your email address, your phone number. Remember to put your country code. Okay, so if it's Nigerians plus 234, before you enter, if your number starts with 080, you have to remove the first zero, then you put in the other numbers after plus 234. So you have to figure out how to do that for your own country, okay, if you're not from Nigeria. Then you select your nationality, okay, then your motivation. I've made video where I talked about how to make a motivation letter or how to write an effective motivation letter. So you can check that on my channel. All right. Then here is where you upload your CV. You just need to click here and it will prompt you to select a CV to upload. And final thing you need to do, or the last thing you need to do, is to click on here that you agree with their privacy terms. Then you click on send. Okay, so this is how to apply to this particular one. Now I'm going to show you other job offers or other aspects which you can find job. But before then, let's look at why you should join Skila. All right. Now, Skila, working for Skila means choosing for a great career. So they invest on their employers and they help you to develop and grow within their company. Okay, from sailor to captain, from waiter to mater or hotel manager. If you're motivated and eager to learn, Skila is happy to provide you with the tools and guidance you need to follow your choosing career path. All right. So what they offer is opportunity to work in an international environment. Of course, it's a Swiss-based company. Okay, imagine yourself going cruising on ships from Switzerland to Poland to America to, if you have that kind of dream, then this job is for you. Okay, this job is for you. That means that you're not scared to walk inside the sea. Okay, you're not scared, and you're going to be inside the ship or boat, as the case will be. Okay. Now, what they're offering you is attractive condition and career opportunities, onboarding training, competitive salary, health insurance, social security insurance, Wi-Fi package on board, sharing a comfortable cabin with a colleague. Okay, so they invest in your well-being and comfort on board. All right. So there are two these things that they are offering you, like Wi-Fi package on board. You're able to browse things. You'll be able to talk with your family. Focus on work-life balance. So that means there's an avenue for work and life balance. Okay, maybe you guys might have days off. Sometimes that you can use it to go out and enjoy yourself. And meet other people, integrate, socialize with other people. So comfortable crew cabins and a cabin of one room mate, great crew food, multicultural teams, team building activities, crew member referral program. Okay, so why work on a river cruise ship? So these are the reasons why you should work on a river cruise ship. Every day, their ship dock at different beautiful destination in Europe. So you have the opportunity to go to various countries. Imagine yourself moving from Portugal, to Amsterdam, to Vienna, to Budapest. Do you want to make friends for life from all over the world while working on their multicultural teams? You should join Skila. All right. Now let's look at other parts, like the career parts. I already opened one, which is sauce chef, and these are the things they're looking for. All right. So you have an experience in sauce chef in the river cruising industry. You're not afraid to lead the galley in absence of the executive chef. You're able to communicate fluently in English. Yes, you have the I can do attitude or mentality. Then you are passionate about cooking. So this is what you expect from them: attractive salary pack, a unique and pleasant environment, opportunity to grow to the next level, a positive environment. The same way I did the first application, that's how you can do this one as well. You just need to follow and make sure that here you put your full name as it appears in your passport. Okay, and just follow the way I did the other one and do it. Okay, so let's look at other jobs. Okay, so it depends on which one you are interested in. If you're interested in career in the galley, then let's look at it. So you have various options to choose from. All right. So these are the so for the galley career, we have executive chef, sous chef, pastry chef, chef de partie, we have commis de cuisine, we have different ones. So if anyone you're interested in, you just need to click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to where you can see the job description and the things you need to know and apply, just like the way I showed you how to apply already. Now let's look at other ones. For example, another category, the hotel career area. Okay, if you're still watching me and you haven't liked this video, please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. Okay. And don't forget to click the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. Now, under this career path, we have hairdresser, receptionist, hotel manager, receptionist, night watch, bar manager, different areas, housekeeping, massage therapist, hairdresser, even musician, laundry. Okay, so let's click on this musician and see how it looks like. So just imagine yourself being a musician on board, inside the sea. That's incredible. So you just need to look at the description and apply if you're interested. Okay, so let's look at another career path. Let's look at the office career. Office career. Wow, great. So we have another one. Let's see the jobs that are available under this category. We have locks and docks operator, junior interior designer, technical superintendent, technical support officer. Just like in the previous ones, click on the one you're interested in, and it will take you to where you see the job description, the main task, responsibilities, qualifications you need to have, their offer, what they're offering you. Okay, then and apply just like the other ones. Okay. Then lastly, the last career path we're going to look at is nautical career. So for the nautical career, you need the jobs under this is engineer and traineeship. So they're even offering traineeship. They even have jobs for captains, second captain, sailors, steersman. As an engineer, let me open this one. I love engineering. By the way, I'm an engineer. So, if you're an engineer, it's an opportunity for you, man or woman. So, yeah. So basically, these are the things you need. No experience on the ship, apply. So, even if you don't have experience, you can apply. Okay, so you can apply for traineeship. If you don't have experience, you are an engineer, but you don't have experience, you can apply for traineeship. So, if you have knowledge of German and or English language, which means if you don't know knowledge of German, that means an opportunity, there's a slight opportunity, or that they can, or there's a slight hope, or there's a hope that they can hire you. But if you have the knowledge of both languages, that can boost your chances of getting it. All right. Certificate BDO is a plus. And these are the things they can offer you: paid holidays, and just like the other ones, you follow the procedure and apply. Okay. Then this one, traineeship. So let's say, for example, you're looking for traineeship, you don't have any experience at all. This you can read the job description and apply, and for yourself. All right. So if you don't have experience, there's even opportunity for traineeship. So, and this traineeship is for sailors and engineers. Okay. So guys, what are you waiting for? Okay, head over to the video description. What do I mean by video description? So video description means below this video, okay, I've put the link to their website below the video. So when you go to the video, for example, let me show you. So let me click on this one, for example, YouTube. Okay. So when I go to YouTube, I'm going to show you what I mean by description, because I realize that some people don't know what description means. Okay. So I'm taking my time to show you what description means. All right. Don't be in a hurry to go. Okay. All right. It's still loading. Still loading. Just be patient. All right. So what do I mean by description? So description is, for example, let me go to this video, for example. So I'm just clicking on this video as an example. Okay, so now under the video, you just need to come under the video here and click on this show more. Okay, when you click on show more, then it will you will see it somewhere here. I'm going to put the link somewhere here, and you will see other links that will be beneficial to you. Okay, all right. So that will be it about this content. All right. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you've not liked it yet, and don't forget to share it with your friends and loved ones. All right. Till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.